Hi everyone. So I wanted to talk a little bit about stressed and unstressed syllables. So in formal poetry, one of the things that we can do along with informal poetry is search for stressed and unstressed syllables. There's many types of poetry, specifically formal poetry, that really rely on stressed and unstressed syllables. So what I thought we could do is talk a little bit about them, how to recognize them, and actually how to annotate stressed and unstressed syllables when you are reading poetry this week. So when you're looking at annotating stressed and unstressed syllables, one of the things that you're going to do is normally do a sort of, it looks like an accent mark over a stressed syllable and a U over an unstressed syllable. Today, what I thought I could do, instead of showing you the annotation in terms of the little accent mark and the U, is to capitalize the stressed and unstressed syllables. I think this will be a little bit more a visual thing for you. Like I said though, when you are annotating stressed and unstressed syllables, the proper notation would be sort of an accent mark. So you would see sort of an accent mark there, U there, to notate those things. Now, if we look at this sentence, you can see the word rebel is going to be pronounced a little bit differently than in the next sentence I show you. The thing I wanted to kind of make reference to is this idea that syllables are going to be stressed or unstressed in different cases. So if we look, go down, this is very Star Wars-esque, right? We're slowly moving down. So if you remember in the previous sentence, rebel soldiers, in this one, rebel against is a much different take on the word, right? And so that the words are going to be stressed or unstressed in a different way. So I just wanted to kind of point out to you the difference in stressed and unstressed syllables. It's a really sort of thing you have to hear. And so when you are looking at trying to identify stressed and unstressed syllables, it's really important to kind of listen and to try to notate. And if you ever have an issue, one of the things we can do is try to work through it together in terms of determining if something's stressed or unstressed. Like I said, this is something you need to hear, so it's maybe a little easier to do over Skype or the phone, but we could always use the notation that I mentioned where you're making sort of an accent mark or a U over the particular word or syllable. All right. So I hope this helps you identify stressed and unstressed syllables. Like I said, this takes some time and this is something you need to hear and practice. So if you do need any help or want to get my feedback on certain words or syllables, just sort of either shoot me a call or if you want to we could work over it via email. Okay. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.